Good day, everyone. Learn how to check active status on Instagram if hidden. So, to check the active status, we need to click on this profile icon. And at the top right corner, where you have the three lines, we need to click on that. And then we need to scroll down more and you will find messages and story replies, how others can interact with you under. So we will click on messages and story replies, and then it says who can see you or online, show activity status. So I'll click on that, and now it says show activity status, allow accounts you follow and anyone message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So this is how you can turn on, and this is how you can check the active status on Instagram if it's hidden. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.